Well, good morning, good afternoon, and of course, good evening, traders from across the globe. Welcome to my 3079th edition of Short Term Trading Live with Oscar. Traders, it is Sunday afternoon. Markets have not opened yet for Sunday evening leading into Monday, and I wanted to show you the analysis, or at least speak to you about the analysis I found over the weekend. This is video 3079 coming at you on a Sunday night for Trading Sunday through Monday, June 1st, a new month, 2026. Trading is risky, we know this. Never trade without placing a protective stop in any market that allows. If the market doesn't allow, I get it. Some crypto markets don't. Dangerous, I get it. You got to get out when it's time to get out. But if your contract allows stops, put them in because a stop is your best friend. Now let's move forward. Traders, you're looking at crude oil. I showed you this in the last couple of videos. I've been working on a series of videos now to show you that inflation or crude oil is starting to come down. So, crude oil looks great here. My target for 75 remains intact. This has been a perfect move because basically kind of double topped and then dropped but got below this average. And I've shown this to you in the past. This average gets a great deal of respect from crude. A great deal of respect from crude oil. Now it's below that average. So, some questions. I've been watching segments on TV, listening to stuff, answering questions, hearing questions, and I decided I would do some research over the weekend. I have analyzed a great deal of commodity, stock, you name it, charts over this weekend. I was testing the waters to see if inflation is actually settling in, if you will, for the long haul, or is this transient, as it's been called, transient, which means it'll go away, right? Short-term inflation. So my question to myself in my research was this: will inflation abate and come down, or will it get worse? What comes first? My findings suggest that this bout of inflation that we're in right now is transient and will pass if I am reading the charts correctly. In fact, out of all the markets I looked at, which I looked at for years and years, which I considered gauge inflation, commodity, stock, and otherwise, of those that matter, the most to our pockets, let's say, right? The ones that I follow are the ones that I know hit our pockets quicker than anything else, creating inflation that's real. Of all of those that I follow, I at least saw three markets, of all of them, that aren't actually easing back down. And as soon as these three drop, the Fed can lower rates instead of raise them. Copper, live cattle, which really isn't necessary to raise or lower rates, right? But it's part of inflation, and the crude oil complex, right? And so crude, heat, gasoline, it all comes down with crude, so we'll just call it crude. Copper, live cattle, again, not as necessary, and crude. So really, copper and crude need to come down, and all the stuff I looked at, and I'm talking 40, 50 charts, I couldn't find an argument for more inflation in any of them. So remember this. First of all, crude and live cattle are already heading back down. But remember this. Commodity markets are forward-looking by their very nature. They're called futures. Futures for a reason. They indicate future purchase order activities. According to the set of analysis that I did over this weekend, the chances that inflation will abate are much higher than the chances that inflation will increase. Now, we are in a war. This picture could change in the snap of a finger. However, if we stay basically like we are now, the way things are currently, war or not, the odds that inflation goes lower are much higher than the odds of inflation going higher. Now, instead of taking you through 50 boring charts, I did all the homework and just wanted to share my findings with you. I hope this helps. If the picture changes, I'll be the first one to come out and let you know that that picture changed. But this is what I received from all the analysis I did to try to find out what's going to happen next. The Fed, there's a new Fed, chairman coming in. Is he gonna have to raise rates, lower rates, do nothing? From what I am seeing, he has to either do nothing or lower rates if this picture continues to pan out and crude continues to behave. Crude is heading towards 75. If crude turns around, starts to go up, and T-bonds, the futures market, start to go down, that starts to negate this wonderful picture. But for now, that's not what's going on, and it looks like overall, take crude out of the picture for a moment, overall inflation is starting to abate across the commodities complex. Commodities, inflation in commodities tells you that there's future inflation in purchase orders and there's activity in purchase orders, and it lets you know that inflation, things are costing more. The commodity markets all out in the future are all heading down. All the future months, they're all heading down. I wanted to share that with you. The next thing I'm going to share with you is this. Traders, the past is the past. I am telling you right now, I spent about 3.5 weeks taking a punch in the face. It was very hard to swallow. But I am back. I have figured this out. Get up and do your thing. You see that Omni Phoenix token? I want my money back. Do you want your money back? I want my money back. I am getting my effing money back. If you join in, I hope to make you whole as well. The idea is to make all of us OMNIPHX whole. And I am telling you right now, see this token? It is going up. I've got whales who know me. I've got a lot of friends around this world. I've been putting out these videos for 20 straight years, sitting on live camera and microphone when I'm not doing videos, and my fans and traders know I've been as honest as the day is long with every one of you throughout this whole thing, and they were as horrified as I was at some crook that was able to take that away from us. But I am telling you right now, I am getting my money back. My friends are getting in. I'm going to start getting whales back in this coin. I've already hired influencers. I'm doing an AMA in a couple of days. Ask me anything. And I am going to make this coin go back to its glory so all of us get made whole, because I want my damn money back. Now, here's what I'm going to ask you, OMNIPHX. You guys know who I'm talking to out there that are in the Omni token right now, the Omni Phoenix. When the whales come in, don't jump out. Welcome them. I promise you we will get this back to its glory if you just hold tight with the rest of us and let this happen. Let me work my mojo. Let my friends come in. Let me help all of us get this coin back to a great success. I promise you I will do that. Work my fingers to the bones getting there. But I need your help. Your help is this. Welcome the whales when I start getting them in. Don't jump out. Welcome the whales. We'll get this thing to 4, 8, 10 million. You know, when we reach a certain level, we can all take turns rotating out. If you are smart and you want to take this ride with me, if you want your money back, take the ride, because I want my money back. The Omni Phoenix, I promise you, I'm taking this thing up. One way or another, my friends around this world have all decided that this was a really bad event, and they are going to help all of us, if we can, collectively regain our footing. So be there with me. Hold on to your tokens, OMNIPHX. Buy more when the whales come in, and I will be there to protect. Now, let me show you. I promised you I would protect you and this coin like I did with the last one. Look at these bubbles. This is me protecting this coin, whatever it needs to be protected. And I've got a lot of friends and whales that are going to help me do the same thing, and I am inviting you to get your money back. Please let me help you. I'm getting mine back. I hope you get yours back. Omni Phoenix token traders, that's what I want you to be in. It's the OMNIPHX. The chart's been doing really well since we started this thing, and I will do my best to get us back to our glory. Get into the Omni Phoenix. I will leave the coin address below this video. Traders that are in the Omni Phoenix, hold tight, kids. We're all going to work together collectively. Everyone in the world that gets in, we will work together to get our footing back. Thank you for everything you do. We love you guys. Please leave your comments below. And remember, stop so in. Emotions are out. Rock and roll traders, watch out for the markets. The Omni waved this off, by the way. It does not want us doing anything in ES&P and NASDAQ tomorrow, so I'm not going to. There are some other markets, and get your Omni Phoenix. I will be working there as well. Have a great trading day, OMNIPHX.